Chapter 13, Part 3. Let's look at some general notes about direct and indirect object pronouns. Now, as we've mentioned, the first and second person forms, the me and nous, the te and vous forms of the direct and indirect object pronouns are identical. You have to use the context to figure it out, especially when there's more than one pronoun. So we can have a sentence, je te le parle. Well, here we have le, which we know is a direct object pronoun, because the indirect is lui. So this means the te must be an indirect. So I speak it to you. And we need to put them in the right order for English. There's all kinds of rules for the order in French, but that doesn't help you in translating, so we're not even going to study them. So I speak it to you, or I'm speaking it to you. Maybe like talking about a language or something like that. Okay, now another thing to note is that me, te, le, la, and se can contract in front of a verb starting with a vowel. So even la with an A will contract, not just the ones ending in E. So we can have a sentence, il m'a vu. So this is the past participle of voir, vu, conjugated with avoir. So he has seen me, or he saw me, would be how we could translate that. Now, sometimes we'll have a de plus a le or a les when they are direct object pronouns, but in that case, they don't contract. Take, for example, the sentence, j'ai oublié de le dire. So I have forgot, or I forgot, is the main verb. And then what did we forget? De le dire. To say it, to say it, to say it. So the le is a direct object pronoun. It doesn't contract with the de that's always there after oublier when it's followed by an infinitive. I forgot to say it. Same thing with a followed by le and les when the le and les are pronouns. Il me force à le faire. He forces me à le faire, so to do it. Le is a direct object pronoun there. He forces me to do it. No contraction between a and le. It's a preposition, links the two concepts, but the le goes with the faire. I think that's the logic behind it. So here are some exercises, and so here we have multiple pronouns, or direct object and indirect object pronouns, and you have to figure out which one is which, and then write down your answer and correct it with the next video.